welcome back to my channel, and today I have a spring cleaning video for you. We are going to deep clean and spring clean my main living area. So when you walk into my house, I have an open floor plan. So on this side of the house is kind of like our family room / dining room, and then on this side is like a sitting room. So we are going to go through and just kind of clean out the cobwebs and the dust and the debris from the winter months, get everything ready for the spring and whatnot, and hopefully this video motivates you to get around your house and spring clean. If you want me to clean another area of my house to help motivate you, let me know in the comments below. If you love cleaning videos, go ahead and give me a thumbs up, a like, and remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any videos from me. So I always like to, before I start cleaning, is make out a list of what I want to do in that particular area. So right now I am going to clean under the couches and chairs and clean behind them. So I like to give them a good vacuum and scrub all the hard surfaces. The next thing, I want to clean the coat area and prepare all of the coats, get rid of all the winter coats, and bring in the spring coats that we need for baseball games and for outings this spring in Michigan. The next thing is clean out the shoe bin, get rid of the winter boots. I don't think we're gonna get any major snowstorm here in Michigan. We might get some flurries and things like that, but I don't think we really need boots, but we do need our rain boots. The next thing is clean out our table. Our table houses this side of the house, and it's where we eat most of our meals at, and in there's bench seating. So we have like paper and notebooks and crayons and things like that, and it's wood. So I'm just gonna give it a really good, thorough cleaning. Then we are going to just dust everything. So just the ceiling fans, the light fixtures, any hard surfaces and things like that. The windows I'm going to save for probably another couple more weeks until it warms up around here, and then hit all the windows. So hopefully I can do this all within an hour or so, and I'm going to take you guys along with me. Hopefully I motivate you, and let's get started. All right, so first we're cleaning under the couches and chairs with my shop vac. I'm removing all the couch cushions and cleaning with the shop vac to get all the loose debris and dog hair and hair. I'm next using a DIY leather cleaner, and this DIY leather cleaner you can find over at my blog, which is www.mywholelotoflove.com. I like using a shop vac to clean underneath all the couch cushions. I feel that it gets all the debris up really well. If there's another item or device that you can think of that would do a better job, let me know in the comments below, because I'd love to try that. Next, I'm moving all the furniture and I'm cleaning underneath that with the shop vac. Now I'm using Murphy's oil soap just to clean the floor, and if you can tell or look very closely, there was a spill underneath my couch. So it's always good to clean underneath these pieces of furniture on a seasonal basis, because it keeps your house looking tip-top shape. Next, we're moving on to my front coat closet. I did a deep clutter of this, and I will link the video in the iCards above the screen if you're interested in a thorough cleaning of that and a detailed information on how I did that using Dollar Tree items. But basically, I'm just going through, cleaning and decluttering again, pulling out all the winter items and bringing in some spring items, cleaning out the shoes, getting rid of the winter boots. I don't think we're going to have any major snowstorms here in Michigan. We may have flurries, but that is about it. The next area of business is cleaning out my dining room table. My dining room table is a bench style, and we put inside the benches notebooks, folders, schoolwork, and things like that. So I'm basically going through and decluttering it all. I'm using the shop vac to clean any of the debris out and giving it a good wipe down and putting everything back that we still use. I'm moving the bench back away from the wall and cleaning that with the shop vac and that Murphy's oil soap as well. Now with the Murphy's oil soap, I am cleaning my table. This table has been through years of love and creativity. My children have used this table to paint, use Play-Doh when they were younger, and they eat off of. Eventually I'd like to refinish it just to kind of clean it up because they are older and they don't craft as much. But I'm giving this a thorough wipe down from the winter months. Now finally, I usually do like to work my way from the top to the bottom, but I completely did this opposite. We are going through and cleaning all the ceiling fans and light fixtures and dusting everything, all the hard surfaces and whatnot. One thing I'd like to say, this all took me a total of an hour, and that's moving the camera around and collecting my supplies such as my wood cleaner, leather cleaner, and the Murphy's oil soap. Following along with me. I hope this video motivated you and inspired you to spring clean an area in your home. I actually, when I was going through this process, and anything that I deep clean on a seasonal basis, I usually do a declutter as well, if you notice that from the video. So this is a good time to just to even declutter the area, your living space in your home, anything like old shoes, old mittens, gloves, coats, DVDs, notebooks, coloring books, games, all that good stuff too. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Give me a thumbs up like I said in the beginning of the video. Hit that subscribe button if you don't want to miss any videos from me, and I'll talk to you guys real soon.